Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good evening, my principal, guests, all teachers, committee members, and all villagers. My name is Ilma. Today is a very special day because we are going to celebrate our annual function. School life is the best life, and yes, it is true. Our teachers show the right path, although we make new friends, but the school friends are special. Madrasa of benefits. In Madrasa, we are learning the Quran, Urdu, Hindi, English, Maths, and other subjects. I hope all will you. I wish you a great day. Thank you. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.